Onion, I think, is the most important thing to learn how to cut. So I just cut off the top and then I sort of keep going to peel it. So I cut through, I leave it at the very end so that I'm able to sort of peel a little bit and get it started. Then I take my knife and I just score through that top layer. Stick your knife under it and just kind of flick off that top layer. You are going to cut your onion in half. You're going to keep your onion planted down so it's nice and secure, and you're going to use this palm of your hand to anchor it to the board. You're going to take your knife and you're going to just move it in. You're not going to cut all the way through. So you're stopping towards the end, keeping it intact, okay? Then you're going to go in and go the opposite direction. So again, it's a grid, remember? So that way, when we cut, you end up with a dice.